Are you looking for ways to boost your brain power and improve your mental clarity? Well, you're in luck because in this video, we're going to be talking about some amazing drinks that can help you do just that. Your brain is the control center of your body, and it's essential to keep it functioning at its best. With so many healthy drinks out there, it's easy to find something that can give you the mental boost you need to stay focused and alert throughout the day. In this video, we've gathered the top 5 healthiest drinks for the brain, each backed by unbiased facts and reviewed by qualified health professionals. So, grab a drink and let's dive into the fascinating world of brain-boosting beverages. Number 1. Blueberry juice. Blueberry juice is not only delicious, but it's also packed with many health benefits. It contains vitamin C and magnesium, which are essential for healthy bones and teeth. Drinking blueberry juice can help boost brain power because blueberries contain anthocyanins, which have been shown to improve cognitive function. Other compounds in blueberries have been shown to protect against memory loss, Alzheimer's disease, dementia, and other neurological problems. Blueberry juice also contains a lot of other antioxidants, which are protective against free radicals and inflammation in the body. These antioxidants are also known to lower blood pressure as well as cholesterol levels, making blueberry juice an excellent choice for those looking for natural ways to improve overall health. Number 2. Orange juice. Orange juice is rich in vitamin C, which is an essential nutrient for your brain. Vitamin C can help protect your brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can impair your cognitive function and increase your risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Vitamin C can also help synthesize neurotransmitters like dopamine and norepinephrine, which are important for motivation, attention, and learning. Studies have shown that people with higher blood levels of vitamin C or higher dietary intake of vitamin C have better cognitive performance than those with lower levels or intake. Number 3. Beetroot juice. Beetroots are root vegetables that are rich in nitrates, which are converted into nitrites in your body. Nitrites can dilate your blood vessels and increase blood flow and oxygen to your brain, which can improve cognitive function and prevent mental decline. Beetroot juice also has antioxidants that can fight free radicals and protect your brain cells from damage. Beetroot juice has a sweet and earthy taste that may not appeal to everyone, but you can mix it with other juices like apple or carrot to make it more palatable. Number 4. Turmeric ginger tea. Turmeric is an ancient spice that has been used as a medicine for thousands of years. Modern science has only recently begun to discover its amazing health benefits, especially when it comes to the brain. Turmeric contains the compound curcumin, which has been shown to have neuroprotective effects in animal studies. In one study, curcumin was found to protect against Alzheimer's disease by reducing oxidative damage and inflammation in the brain. The combination of turmeric with ginger root makes the tea an even more powerful, delicious, and healthful drink that can boost brain function. Number 5. Coffee. Coffee is probably the most popular and widely consumed brain-boosting drink in the world. It contains caffeine, which is a natural stimulant that can make you feel more alert, focused, and energized. Coffee also contains antioxidants and other compounds that may protect your brain from damage and aging. Studies have shown that coffee drinkers may have a lower risk of stroke and Alzheimer's disease. However, moderation is key, as too much caffeine can cause anxiety, insomnia, and jitters. Aim for no more than 3 to 4 cups of coffee per day. These are the 5 amazing drinks that can boost your brain power and help you think more clearly, focus better, and remember more. You can try them out and see how they affect your mood and cognition. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite or if you have any other suggestions for brain-boosting drinks. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.